thank you for joining in today. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And for this video, I have a demonstration here on a very easy tie-dye t-shirt. I have an old shirt there and it's not in any specific order. I just crumpled it up because I wanted a more of a spattered look. So I'm going to explain here what exactly I did, and then I can tell you about, like, I'm sure you've seen other videos if you want that spiral. So like I said, for mine here, I just crumpled it up and then I put 2 rubber bands on the ends to keep it in place somewhat. And I have a little bit of food coloring there in my hand, and I placed the droplets where I wanted them, and then I added a little bit of water to spread the color because I wanted to leave some of the white. I didn't want the color everywhere, so I wanted to try, I thought maybe I could get a little bit more control with this. And it is optional. I've seen other videos where you can wet the t-shirt first, so it's totally up to you. But even there, I'm trying to soak up some of the water and just get the color where I want it. You can play around with the design, and then you can keep on adding where you want it, like I said, to be a little bit darker than others. You can see how it'll fade out a little bit. And if you wanted that specific spiral, if that's the look you were looking for, what you would do is when you have your t-shirt flat out in the beginning, just find the center and make a little pinch with your fingers and then keep twisting it, and you'll see it'll just turn into that ring in the spiral, and then you place your rubber bands on. So it is very easy to do. And then you can use your colors of choice, whatever you wanted it to be. I only wanted to use the blue for my demonstration here. And then you can kind of like peek in between a little bit and see where you missed, if you want to add a little extra. And I did, when I was all done here, I let it set overnight. I think the recommendation was anywhere from 6 to 8 hours, but like I said, it's just easier. Do it at nighttime, and then you can just let it settle overnight, and then in the morning you can take a look at it and see how it looks. And then obviously wring it out in your sink to get out. A lot of the dye does come out with the food coloring. If you use an actual fabric dye, it may work a little bit better, but I was happy with the way mine turned out. You can see there. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.